how we use our brains, I think, is the primary driver of how those brains function. The framework that I present in the book, and the whole book builds to, is this the 3S model. And the 3 S's are stimulus, supply, and support. Sort of the subtitle of the book is future-proof your brain against dementia and stay sharp at any age, and continuing to stimulate our brains, hence the book is called The Stimulated Mind, with a wide variety of complex cognitive stimuli, including like deep focused work, as well as learning new skills, various cognitive challenges. Anything that really requires you to sort of like work hard with your brain in like focused chunks, that is what drives neuroplasticity, drives learning, drives the structure and function of the brain. We also need a supply of some kind of energy substrate. So that could be glucose, could be ketones, could be lactate. Metabolic health then critical to the supply of regular energy to the brain. And then so you've stimulated a part of the brain, you brought in a supply of the things that it needs to do its job, but the adaptation and improvement in function in response to a stimulus only happens during rest and recovery. So this is now the support bucket. Sleep is obviously a big part of that. We want to avoid the things that kind of inhibit that adaptation, so chronic stress, but then also toxins or things that we know can affect the brain from the environment. And so we have these 3 buckets, right? Stimulus, supply, and support. When you change one thing, because they're all connected, you change lots of things at the same time.